It's warm as shit. Ah. But at least there's a nice cool wind. Of course I'm here mainly for the badgers, but I don't know what kind of impact the sun has on the behavior of badgers. Do they like a full sun like this? Or do they like more clouds, where it's more cool? Because I can imagine that as well. And obviously I think the absolute best moment in terms of weather is right after it rained, or when it's slightly raining. It's all about food, of course, in the animal kingdom. So worms, number one food of badgers. When do worms come out of the ground the most? When it's raining or right after the rain. So this is not the absolute best time, but not a bad time either. That's like a huge tip that I'm starting to learn. If you want to find animals, find their food first, and then they'll come to you. This time I'm gonna set my tripod one level higher so I can film over these, what are they called? Bramblings? These bushes, these what are the black ones? Oh, the blackberry bushes. A brambling is a bird. I was confused because the black things, the black berries, are in my language called braam. So I was like bush, never mind. So I can film above that. Because if anything walks on the field, if I have my tripod on its lowest, then they're in front of the lens and I can't film them. I haven't used this lens in a long time actually. I should use this lens more often because I'm always too lazy to switch lenses all the time. Many times I just stick to one lens. But changing lenses only takes like 20-30 seconds, so to get a bigger variety of different shots. I have a freaking cow orchestra going on here from both sides. I don't think we're gonna see a badger today because the cows are just taking over the fields here. don't think a badger or a fox will mix in with the cows. I think they will just choose another field. So maybe it's best to, well, stay away from the cows. Maybe.
Ja.